Hello guys, what is up, and welcome to another Fantasy Premier League video. In this video, what I'll be showing you how to do is how you can change your vice captain in the Fantasy Premier League application. And just to put a disclaimer up, I'm doing this for the mobile application only. For the browser version, I think the process is the same, however it might be a little bit different. However, there should be enough similarities so that you can use this video for help. Now let's get right into it. It's not that complicated. And yeah, let's just get right into it. So when you actually open up your mobile application, this is the screen that's going to pop up. On this screen, you will find all the latest news about happenings in the Premier League, any events, any games, any player changes, and of course, any data you can see for the Fantasy Premier League. Now, when you actually enter this screen, what you want to do is go to the Fantasy tab in the bottom. When you're here, just ignore that. When you're actually here, you have all these options. If you already created a team and everything, you will have this menu where you have all these several options, as well as your leagues and cups listed and any news, as you can see here. Now, to actually change your vice captain in Fantasy Premier League, what you want to do is enter your team overview in the pick team section. And now that you're here, you can see that my goalkeeper is my vice captain, or that Virginia is the vice captain. And let's say I don't want him to be the vice captain. Let's say I want to have Mo Salah as my vice captain. To actually do that, guys, as you can see, if I click on Virginia, you will see a little tick checked off in the bottom where it says he is the vice captain. To actually change your vice captain, you just go on the player you want. As I said, I'll change Salah into my vice captain. Click on him, click on vice captain, and he will now be your vice captain, guys. Now, to actually confirm, you just have to click confirm in the top of your screen. And once you click confirm, the changes will be saved. And now Mo Salah is my vice captain in my Fantasy Premier League team. That will be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and found this helpful, and I'll see you in another video.